Hello, everybody. I am so excited to welcome you to an event that I'm going to be doing. I have worked in classrooms for over 25 years, working with the most challenging behaviors and supporting students within the classroom at the same time. It is a challenging time in education right now, and we have the trauma of COVID and kids not having the structure or the support that was needed. We have challenging behaviors off the roof with aggression. We're actually having challenges with some of our younger kiddos when it used to be maybe the older grade levels. And there is so much academic demands being placed on us every day. And as we try to manage those, we're actually watching the challenging behaviors grow too. Teachers are at a loss at what to do. Conscious discipline and what we're going to share and the strategies we're going to share with you, it's really going to provide a different perception for us to be able to see what can we do as a school community to be able to help the students so that we all can continue working. I had the opportunity to be in a classroom with a student when things didn't go his way or when things became challenging. He didn't have the coping strategies to manage that moment and people got hurt. And so usually they've got to remove him from the classroom and he actually gets sent home, or he has to be in a place where he can just kind of rage it out. And knowing that just like we wouldn't be upset with a student who maybe had low math skills, we would know they're really using the only skills that they have. And so with that shift, being able to see it's about helping them develop skills. And we helped teach him these skills and practice them so that he was able to calm his body enough so that he was able to get back on track with something else. And that's really what the beauty of conscious discipline is. It provides that regulation in their nervous system so they're able to attend a little longer so that we can continue with the academics and the activities that we're doing. Any tiered level of support that you're using, any other programs, PBIS, Leader in Me, with the skills that we learn with conscious discipline, it's going to strengthen what you're doing by defining some of the underdeveloped skills and the root causes. We're going to work together using the information that we've learned during the workshop, and we're going to practice using some of these tools so that you can feel how much connection and support and regulation it provides in just a short amount of time. I am so excited to get to see you all at this event, and I can't wait to have everybody in one room being able to share our brilliance together. And until we are all together again, I wish you well.